Good morning, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, namaste everyone, children. Sunday test, did we discuss the Sunday test, children? No, not yet, right? For class 6. Let me see once your scores, where is your difficulties, we'll see once. Yes, Advika here. Advika. Okay. Okay. Ma'am, you are not allowing us to speak. Oh, where I should allow? In Zoom, right? Participants to speak.
Ma'am, you're allowing us to speak. Ma'am, we can still speak.
But other students are able to speak. Aishwarya can, Monish, right? Advika, what happened? Okay, fine.
I joined late, so what you are doing?
Not yet. We did not start anything better. We are going with the Sunday test results first. Any difficulties in Sunday test? Yes, Deepika is here. Adrit,
Yes,
Soumya. Very good. Congratulations. Okay, Advika, please rejoin, ma. Advika, congratulations, all of you. Advika, right? And Aishwarya also scored well. Ashwath, Aishwarya, good. Sritej, any difficulties, Sritej?
Ma'am, I've been missing classes lately, right? I didn't check on the lectures since I didn't have time. So that's why I got a... Ma'am, can we discuss
Particularly if any questions, we will discuss in the class. So even Monish too. And Advika, Ashwath, Aishwarya, Ashwath is here.
I have a doubt.
Yeah, we'll discuss ma. Which question you have doubt? Deepika, congratulations. 1 minute, I'll preview the test so that you can see and ask your question numbers. We will discuss. Yeah. What are the questions particularly you have doubt, children?
Question number 17.
Question number 17. Yes. You have to mention the angle T, right? This part of angle. VUT, in that VUT, angle T is equal to, you can check better. Because the angle should be always lies in the middle, I said. So T where is middle? In first case, it is middle and let me check. U TV or VTU. You can write in both ways. Either UTV or VTU. Which option is there here? VTU option is there. There is no U starting with U. So the option D was correct, Advika. Advika?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. We know that, you see, if 1 minute I'll help you because this is the starting basic part only. Of course, these are the two triangles. They divided into two triangles. Okay, any triangle. Any triangle, if you look.
Should you write this?
No, don't write. Listen, your difficulties because you are also scoring little less. What are the questions you feel difficult? Please let me know, Monish, so that I'll help you here. You can correct your mistakes. Don't write anything. Just this is a test updation. This is angle T they mentioned. This is a U, V. If angle T can be represented in many ways. Yes, one way is VTU is one angle. Who is unable to see the screen?
Ma'am, Soumya.
Ma'am, then Soumya should rejoin.
Children, you are not able to see my screen?
Ma'am, we are able to see.
Then someone said, wait, children. Is it, you're able to see my screen, children?
Yes, ma'am. Now I'm able to see it.
Okay, fine. Advika, these are the three ways of representation. See, wherever the vertex angle, wherever the angle you need, that's T. That T should be always in the middle. When you are writing like this way, that angle should be always fall in the middle. Hope you understood, Advika.
Ma'am?
Clarified your doubt?
Ma'am? Ma'am, over here also in the option A and C, they can be also correct, right?
But if you go with option A, this angle, this part, there are two triangles. They're asking about VTU angle T. They're not asking about the upper triangle. They're asking about down one. You see, 1 minute, Advika. I will same thing. I will extend one more triangle. This is like, yes. They're asking about this angle, not this part. You are telling about this.
Okay, ma'am.
If I'm taking a STU, which part of angle you will get? This part of angle you will get.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why it is not true, beta. Right, clarified, Advika. Any other doubts, ma? Any other doubts? Please check your corrections, errors. Where is Monish? Yeah, Soumya. What's your errors? Where is
the last
Sunday test?
Ma'am, the last question.
Question number 20. Okay. Question number 10. The diagonal of a quadrilateral are formed by joining. See, children, if you take quadrilateral, and quadrilateral means what is the name? Quadrilateral, it's a four-sided polygon. Circle is a quadrilateral. Which side?
Square.
Four-sided polygon is a quadrilateral. Three-sided polygon is triangle. Four-sided polygon is 4 line segments. If you not only take this, you can take any 4 line segments and join the. Yes. Quadrilateral. If you take a quadrilateral means, what do you know about quadrilateral, children? What do you know about quadrilateral? Yes. What do you know about quadrilateral?
Just wait.
Yes. What do you know about quadrilateral? It's 4-sided polygon. It's 4-sided polygon.
How can you tell about quadrilateral?
Quadrilateral means 4-sided polygon. 4-sided polygon. Yes.
Ma'am, a quadrilateral is formed by joining 4-sided polygon. Example, rectangle, square. These are 4-sided polygon.
Yeah, rectangle. Suppose if you take a rectangle shape, how many sides you have? 4 sides. If you take a square shape, you have 4 sides. If you take Kite shape, it is also four sides.
Diamond.
Yes.
4 sides.
It's rhombus. If you take a rhombus, it's also having four-sided polygon. Yes or no? If you take a trapezium, if you take a trapezium is also a quadrilateral. Yes, these all are quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral is nothing but, what is the meaning for what is quadrilateral?
A polygon, a four-sided polygon joined to make a quadrilateral is known as quadrilateral. To form
Four-sided polygon. Now diagonals of quadrilateral are formed by joining opposite vertices, opposite sides, opposite adjacent sides, adjacent vertices. So we know that opposite. Which are opposite vertices? Diagonals are nothing but non-adjacent sides. If you connect non-adjacent sides, what are adjacent here? A, B. Suppose if you take a vertex A, what is adjacent to A? B and D. Non-adjacent is? Non-adjacent is?
C.
C. And he from B to? Which is
D.
non-adjacent to B to D.
D.
These are what? These are if you connect non-adjacent diagonals. These all are? So diagonals. So how you are getting diagonals, children? Diagonals are getting
forming
by
opposite sides. Opposite sides.
if you connect opposite vertices. So AC and BD are diagonals. By connecting opposite vertices. By connecting
opposite vertices.
Opposite vertices. We are getting what we are getting? We are getting diagonals of what shape it is? Quadrilateral. Yes or no? Now, which option is correct? You look, children, come back to your test. The diagonals of quadrilateral are formed by joining opposite sides, adjacent vertices, opposite vertices.
Opposite vertices.
Hope it is clear. Your doubt is clarified.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Any other doubts, children? Please let me know if any other doubts. Yes, any other doubts, children? Please look the questions carefully.
No,
if you Yeah, Advika?
Yes, ma'am, I'm saying that I don't have any doubt.
Okay, I think Advika doubts are clarified. What about Monish? Ashwath? Soumya, did you write a Sunday test? Why you did not complete the Sunday test, ma?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am, I did do the Sunday test.
I'm asking about Soumya. Please unmute Soumya.
Ma'am, I did do the Sunday test.
Okay. Deepika scored full. Congratulations, Deepika. And the two students scored same marks. So let me see the part of because everything, each and every drop of things are very important, children. Every week, why we are keeping Sunday test with grave difficulty? You people should focus. Deepika, Adrit and Soumya scored 75. And very good, Soumya. I thought I did not see. Very good, Adrit and Soumya. And Advika scored 70. She did only 2 bits errors. Very good, Advika too. This time you improved well. Good. Same way you should come up. Okay, Aishwarya and Ashwath. Aishwarya, any doubts, Nana? Aishwarya is doing well, but in this test, maybe.
Actually, last time when you gave a quiz, the same question was there, but I typed the parallel lines, but the answer was concrete lines. So I just wrote that one, but I got wrong and it was parallel.
Okay, fine. Doing mistakes is also, I'm not going to punish you people, children. Why? Because learning from mistakes is more important as a student. We are not very perfect, 100% not perfect, right? If once you are any errors you are doing, you please go back and check where our mistakes done and clarify those. That's all for Sunday test, children. And Ashwath is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwath, any doubts in Sunday test?
No, ma'am, that 17th one.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute.
You told now.
17th one, did we discuss the 17th one? I said no. Same bit,
Yes,
someone is asking. Okay, Ashwath, you joined late. But 17th one, just before we discussed. Yes. 17th one, they did not ask about upper triangle. Monish, wait 1 minute. Monish, please wait 1 minute. I'll clarify Ashwath's doubt and I'll come back. Monish, they're asking about, Ashwath, they're asking about the angle T is also. So this is the part of angle. There are two triangles. They did not ask about this part, upper triangle. Only they're asking a part of angle in down triangle. Down one means VUT or VTU. So if you want to represent this down angle, down triangle, part of triangle, you have to either write in way of VTU or UTV. VTU is option is here, but no UTV. That's why we are going with option D, Ashwath.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. Okay, that's all. So Monish, please tell your doubts. Monish.
Ma'am, not a doubt. Ma'am, I want to tell you one thing.
Yeah, please, Monish.
Ma'am, I want extra homework and extra class, extra assignment. Then only I will pass this test. At least I'll get a good mark. Because I'm not practicing. If I get an extra, I can practice. That is a new way.
You have textbook, please take the part of textbook, my dear. Topper, the subscription is there with you. Sir is activated your Topper subscription. Yes or no?
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't buy the textbook.
No, beta, no, online only we are going to download, right? No need of buying. You can take the part of CBSC if you want. Yeah, ma.
Ma'am, in a school textbook, there are only the same concepts.
Yeah, that's true, Advika. Any textbook, class 6 having same concepts. Only maybe the textbook part is different, naming is different, but concepts are in that. We are following NCERT. Why? Because NCERT is applicable for NEET or JEE, mains and advanced. They are preferring only NCERT basic textbook. So our institution opted only NCERT books. Monish, if you want additional part of exercises to practice, you can take a Topper. Ask once Manoj sir. Sir will guide you how Topper can be accessed. You have multiple exercises there you can practice. And one more thing, if you want download textbook from internet, you have plenty of exercises to practice. Okay, Monish? I will, if you, I said other day also, please message me. If you want textbook part, I will share your link. Please put a word hi, ma'am. But I did not get from you. That's why I cannot able to share with you, Monish. Other day, I'm waiting for your message. So or else you can download from internet too, not an issue. If still you need additional, you please contact me regularly. I'll give extra part to practice. Okay?
Ma'am?
Right, children, coming to the part of Sritej.
Ma'am, I am Ashwath.
Ashwath, please.
Ma'am, I got wrong in 11th bit.
Oh, 11th bit you are doing. 1 minute, Ashwath, I'll help you. 11th, question number 11. Yeah. I think Aishwarya also said the same thing. Yes, Aishwarya, is it same thing? You have doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just before. But what is this picture corresponding? Oh, sorry, this picture representing parallel lines. Of course, these are element or parallel lines. And perpendicular lines? No, these are not perpendicular lines. Congruent lines? Congruent means, what is congruent, children? What is the meaning of congruent? Same length of line, same measure. Congruent lines. And D angle. So the D, B option is not at all true. We will check with only first and second part. First, we know very well about parallel lines. Parallel lines means they never intersect each other. Congruent segments means it's not segments beta. It's not, these are lines. They mentioned it is L and M are lines. That's why option C is also not true. Only these are parallel lines. Parallel lines, they never meet each other. If you extend endlessly, they are uniform distance between those lines. They never meet each other. It's parallel lines, Ashwath. Option answer is parallel lines. Right. Any other doubts? Yes.
No, ma'am.
Any other doubts? Okay. Yes, children, shall we go back to our exercise? Yeah, Monish, please tell me.
Ma'am, I want to
Yeah, please. Please tell me.
Ma'am?
One textbook in that is foundation. Get for IIT-JEE class 6.
Advika, mute your mic better. Sometime I cannot hear Monish voice. Monish.
Ma'am?
Please tell Monish.
Ma'am, I have found the book. Is this right?
Sorry, Monish, I cannot hear your voice properly. I'm really
foundation
sorry.
Guide.
Yeah, foundation guide is also there, beta. Multiple questions you can access from period.
Ma'am, it is foundation is a textbook foundation guide for math, GE,
foundation
classic.
I cannot hear voice properly, Manish. I don't know what is the problem with you. I never get your voice properly. Sometimes just before it is clear, but now it is not. Did anything, any doubts in this basic geometry, children?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, today we'll start a new lesson.
New chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Because our chapter was done, right? What is our next chapter, children? Till now, what are the chapters we completed? Yes, till now, what? Fractions, decimals, yes, integers, right? Data handling. Data handling is done or not? No.
No, ma'am.
This is a chapter. What is our third chapter, children? Fractions and decimals together we are doing. This is chapter number 4. What is our third chapter?
Playing with numbers.
Oh, very good. Shall I give all 4 chapters together some small test today? Yes?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because how much I am not sure, because one chapter I will review, because 4 chapters was done. We are going with the chapter 1, 10 questions. I'll share with you. What is first? Integers, right? Right. Can I give first integers, children? Like a small quiz?
Ma'am, we didn't learn about integers.
Adrit, first chapter, Adrit.
Ma'am, the first chapter is numbers. The first chapter is knowing our numbers.
Oh, you are class 6. Sorry, beta. You are class 6. I think this is class 7, I said. What is your... Okay. Knowing numbers, playing with numbers, whole numbers, and basic geometry is your topics, right? Right.
Ma'am, after knowing our numbers, you missed one lesson, whole numbers.
Knowing numbers, whole numbers. Next, for third one is playing with numbers.
You go now. Ma'am, playing quiz.
Monish, yes, Monish. Monish, chapter wise, I will give 10 questions. 40 questions you should have. Advika, what's your doubt?
Are we doing quiz? Ma'am, are we doing quiz? quiz.
Yes, Monish, please, once you please a little slow. Yes, we are doing all chapters revision. For all
Quiz.
4 chapters revision.
Are we doing quiz on these 4 chapters? Quiz. Are we doing
Yes, I
quiz?
said. Monish, yes, I said. Please wait. Advika, please tell ma.
Ma'am, like I have a doubt. Oh, when I'm opening it for writing, then it is jumping like very less, and when I'm closing it, then it is jumping very much like this.
Which
And
one? Oh, can you please repeat the same activity once again?
ma'am, when I'm opening it for writing, then it is jumping like less, like this. But I'm closing it, then it is jumping very much.
Some scientific, yeah, good. Something, maybe some part of, I'm not sure about the science, what is behind it. Some part of science is there, beta. Ask your science teacher why it is happening. Okay. Good, good. That's really great things. Great observation. Right. What I said, we are going with some part of revision 4 chapters together. What is our first chapter? Knowing our numbers. Knowing our numbers, especially what we have. Yes, yes. What happened? Who is that?
Are you doing like 4 chapters in one quiz?
Can I give all 4 chapters together or else separately? First, playing with numbers. I want to give playing with numbers. Separately, we will go, children. Then I understood who are little poor at which topic, so I can help those way. Okay. First, we are going, just revise all the points, chapter wise, so close your eyes. Just recollect the points, what we learned from chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, so that it's easy for you. What are the different properties we discussed in whole numbers, children? Yes.
Ma'am, we discussed 4 chapter 4.
No. I'm asking about what are the different properties discussed in whole numbers. Properties of whole numbers. Yes or no?
Start from 0.
Commutative
Yes.
property, associative property, distributive property.
Yes. Yes. What is associative property? What is associative property? Yes. What is associative property?
Ma'am, I don't know.
What is commutative property? Yes, Advika, what is commutative, ma?
Ma'am, I thought we are doing quiz.
Yeah, we are doing quiz only. What is commutative property? What is associative property? What is zero identity property? What is multiplicative identity? What is additive identity? Yes, all these things, please, once again. Commutative property is nothing but, yes, what is commutative property, children? What is commutative property?
Multiplying the small numbers and putting the big number in the bracket and
Is it commutative property, Sritej? Suppose 2 multiply, with respect to multiplication, I'll say first, 2 multiplied with 3 is 6. 3 multiplied with 2 is 6. What is difference between first one and second one? What is the difference?
Ma'am, you are changing the numbers places.
Yes, very good. That means we are changing the order. If you change the order, the result remains the same. That property is called? What is that property? Sorry. Bracket shifting property is nothing but associative property. Bracket shifting property is nothing but associative property. Right, children, your 10 questions are ready right now. You can please do this first. Meanwhile, I'll take other part
Ma'am.
of. Yes, ma'am.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Deepika.
Ma'am,
Deepika,
commutative property is if we change the order of the numbers, then it will not affect the answer.
Addition and multiplication can be holds good for commutative property, dear, but not subtraction and division. We cannot do any order change in subtraction and division. We can do addition and multiplication. We can do in any order. That's commutative property. Very good. Very good, ma. Yes, where are the children?
Are you playing quiz or you are just asking questions?
No, I'm giving. Why Monish very hyperactive? Please wait. Please join quickly, children. Please join quickly. I'll give another chapter also. Once it is done, you can go with the second chapter also. All 4 chapters we will do. Come on. Yes, so how many have joined? 4. Who is that 4? Adrit, Sritej, Advika, Aishwarya. Please join. Yeah, Monish. Where is Soumya, Ashwath? Please join quickly. Deepika, Soumya, Ashwath. Yes, Deepika, Soumya, Ashwath, are you there? Are you joining?
Ma'am, it's loading a lot.
Yes,
Ma'am, there is almost no internet, so it's taking some time.
Are you joining? Yes, Deepika joined. Ashwath and Soumya. Ashwath, please join quickly. Ashwath, are you there? Right. Come on, children, please do first. Very good, Advika. Done that part? First one? Complete your first test.
Ma'am, I'm done with my quiz.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Please join quickly, children. Please join quickly. That means please join quickly for second one. Is there any difficulty, Advika, in first quiz? Aishwarya, any difficulty in first quiz?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
No,
Like,
ma'am.
taking that, but like it is taking the next option, the upper or the lower one.
Only some part of, but questions, any difficulties you have in the doing part, any concepts are difficult?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Right, children, once completed, please join. The second link is shared with all. Come on, please quickly join. Click on the second link. Yes, 4 students, Advika, Aishwarya, Adrit, Ashwat. All 4 years joined. Why 4 years in my class? All are starting with Advika A, Aishwarya with A, Adrit with A, and Ashwat. Come on, come on. Others, Sritej, Monish, Deepika, Soumya. Monish completed first one.
No, ma'am. I'm in the ninth one.
Yeah, join in second link. Once completed, please join the second link.
Ma'am, can you start? 1 minute, ma'am.
Let them answer, join.
Ma'am, please wait for 1 minute.
Yeah, I'm waiting, Sritej. Please complete and come back. That's why if you are continuously teaching, you can forget the previous topics. Once we will recollect all the chapters, 4 chapters together, it's easy for you. Yeah, Soumya joined, Deepika, Ashwath, Sritej. Yes.
Ma'am, when will you tell the results of the
Now only I will show all your results. Once the 4 chapters done, I will share it. Or else once this part of quiz is done, we will go with these 2 first. This is little big chapter, so most of the questions are Sritej, Soumya joined, right? Ashwath joined, Munish and Deepika. Monish, please join, ma. Monish. Yes, Monish, are you there? Monish, I'm waiting for you. Please respond, Monish.
I'm
Please join better. Please join. So we start for them, please. Yes.
Where's third quiz? Third chapter quiz.
Yes, we are going. Done with first, second one, Monish?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm done.
Okay. I'm sharing the third one also. Yeah, please join, children who completed the second one. Please join for the third one. How was the second quiz, children? Yes, Sadvika, Vedika,
Good.
sorry. Good. Easy, Sriket?
I wasn't able to remember. Remember some questions, but it's okay.
Is it helpful for recollecting the concepts? That
Yes,
this is
ma'am.
helpful?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Because continuously teaching part, sometimes we have to go with some part of revision to children. It's more important. I think all 4 kids need to join. Yeah, 3. 3 need to join. Yes, 2 need to join. Dvika, Sri, Tej, Ashwata, Aishwarya, Soumya, Deepika. Soumya has some network issue. I think she is not. Soumya, are you okay with network? Deepika, are you joining? Deepika, are you there? Waiting for you, beta. Soumya and Deepika, please respond. Others, please start doing. Soumya, please join, ma. Monish, or else rejoin quickly.
Ma'am, can you please send the link again? I disconnected. I got
Okay,
disconnected.
Soumya, I shared. You just please look in your chat box, dear. Yeah, please join, Soumya.
Ma'am, I'm done with my quiz.
Yes, Aishwarya, very good, mom. Very good. Let me show your results 1 minute better. I'll share with you, everyone.
Where is the last quiz?
Yes, ma. Yes, I'm doing. I'm checking continuously. Last part. Anyway, last test you wrote the same thing, basic geometrical ideas. We will see once the reviews, result of your day. Any difficulties where you are facing difficulties, just go with it. Few students already done. One last few questions they are doing. Yes, Soumya, good. Why Advika, Ashwit, Sritej, Munish rejoined again?
Mom, I thought that is the last quiz. Actually, I forgot.
Okay, okay. No need to. Yeah, no need.
Mom, I thought it was a new quiz, so I joined again and started suddenly. I got scared.
Okay, Ashwath, okay. No need to rejoin once again. You just complete the part. We will see the scores of the day. Which chapter do you feel difficult, children?
Ma'am, the chapters which you thought they were very easy, so I don't have any doubt in them.
Very good. Very good, Advika.
Mom, I have a doubt.
Sritej, which chapter you have doubt, beta?
Mom, it's not a chapter. Mom, all the questions were good except this one because there were few questions which I didn't understand. Some converting into kgs or something.
That takes time, right? Really takes time. Okay. We will practice those type of conversion part. King Henry died, Mary did not cry much. If you know the keyword, we can go a little faster that part. Okay, not an issue, children. A little bit slower, but concepts you are remembering, that is the great. Because basic chapter, tomorrow onwards, we are going with understanding elementary shapes. Understanding elementary shapes. It's more interesting chapter. It's easy, like a previous chapter, like basic geometry. We will see how next class onwards we will go with that part, children. Please, Ashwa, complete. Who are not yet completed the quiz, please complete quickly, so we can stop and we will see the scores. Yes. Children, are you doing?
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, then I'll make end this quiz so we can.
Ma'am, please don't. Why? Because at least.
Yeah, good children. Keep it up, and other quizzes also we will see right now.
Ma'am, can you check the other quizzes?
Yeah. Ishwarya, we are doing others also. We will check. This is part previous. How I can see the link of previous one. Practice reviews. No. Quizzes. Live dash previously used one. Reports we should go. What are the reports? I think you're able to see my screen, right, children?
Yes.
Children, are you able to see my screen or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth whole number, 71%. Really good. Whole numbers chapter, you are doing very well, children, comparatively all. Almost 85% Deepika and 75% Ashwath. 75 Sritej, even Advika 75. Yes, who is this? Subramanyam Vara. I don't know the name. Soumya and other, everyone doing well. Hadrit, good. Very good. This is really good. Go back to the next previous. First one, 54, playing with numbers. Playing with numbers started with 90% Sritej in first attempt. Aishwarya, very good. It's she's also 80%. And who is this ma? Subramanya Vara, some name is mentioned here.
Ma'am,
Monish, okay, very good, Monish. Previous, very good.
Oh.
Very good. The previous test also you attempted well. 80% you scored here. Soumya, 60 still there.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, in playing with numbers quiz, ma'am, by mistake, my hand went wrong option.
Don't worry, Ashwa. Great concepts you have to recollect. My intention was why today all the chapters revision means you people can revise all the concepts once again, or else what you frequently, periodically, if you are not going to recollect, you can forget the things. That's my intention. I'm not going with whether you are how much you are able to do or not. Really good work by the students. Next class we will see the part of understanding elementary shapes. Really good work, children. Keep it up. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show the reports of knowing
Which one reports of?
Knowing our numbers.
Knowing numbers. Okay, 1 minute.
Can you show the report
Knowing numbers is okay. Reports Deepika scored 80%, Advika 73, Adrit 67, Aishwarya, Sritej, Ashwath, yeah, 53% better. Doing well, not slow. Soumya joined a little late. She was at going to complete. She joined little late, right?
Ma'am, I am in my hometown, so there is almost no.
I understood, Soumya. I understood that. Because that's why you are little slow, or else you can do faster. Okay, not an issue. Right, children? Shall we end up the class? I have other class by 7. Yes. Okay, bye, children. Have a good day. What is the homework part? All 4 chapters points, please. Once review the 4 chapters takeaway points and come back with your next class, understanding elementary shapes. We will start. Bye, children. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.